Hello students, hope you are all well. Today's video is very important. Often I am asked from the candidates that what is the comparison, which college is better between the two options they provide me with, and often is my choice list or is the university I am choosing, is this good? So these are the kind of questions I often get, or queries I get from the aspirants. So while going for higher education, you might have queries that the college I am joining in, is it good? What is the rank of the college? And today's video is the answer to all your queries likewise, because in today's video I will talk about National Institutional Ranking Framework 2022. National Institutional Ranking Framework 2022, in short we call it NIRF 2022 ranking, which has been published on 15th of July 2022 by Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now these rankings are done section wise on different departments: overall ranking, research category, engineering category, medical category, architecture, and so on. So in today's video I'll talk about top 10 colleges in each category of NIRF ranking 2022 along with their location. And also let me remind you that NIRF 2022 ranking is an independent ranking, and these are based on certain parameters of like academic input, the kind of institutional legacy the institutions are carrying, the peer group, all that information you have to provide to the authority, and then only NIRF 2022 rank has been published. So let us check out the top 10 colleges in each of the overall category, research category, engineering category, among the universities, among the medical colleges, the dental colleges, architecture colleges, and also the management institutions. In case if you have any query regarding NIRF 2022 ranking, or you want to know that the college you are opting for, what is the ranking of that particular college, whether it is under NIRF or not, I can provide you answers to all that, or what is the particular eligibility criteria for that particular course in that NIRF listed college. So let us check out these top 10 colleges, and let us connect if you have any queries on the phone number right now shown on your screen. And also like and subscribe Apna College Facebook page and Apna College One Instagram page. Like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. Follow us for further updates on the college rankings, courses, and related queries. The National Institutional Ranking Framework, in short NIRF, was approved by MHRD and launched by Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development in the year 2015. NIRF outlines a methodology to rank institutions across the country. The methodology draws from the overall recommendations, broad understanding arrived at by a core committee set up by MHRD to identify the broad parameters for ranking various universities and institutions. The parameters broadly cover teaching, learning resources, research and professional practices, graduation outcomes, outreach and inclusivity, and perception. NIRF India Rankings 2022 ranking of higher educational institutions on performance was released on 15 July 2022. NIRF India Rankings 2022 is depicted in overall category, university category, college category, research institutions, engineering category, management category, pharmacy category, medical category, dental category, law category, and architecture category, and I will deal with the categories one by one. India Rankings 2022 conducted by NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. In the overall category, at number 1 position is Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Indian Institute of Science, located in Bangalore, Karnataka, occupies the 2nd position. Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, is in the 3rd position. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, located in New Delhi, has secured 4th position. Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, located in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur city, occupies the 5th position. In the 6th position is Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, located in West Bengal. Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, located in Roorkee, Uttarakhand, occupies the 7th position. Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, located in Guwahati, Assam, is in the 8th position. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, located in New Delhi, has occupied 9th position, and Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU, located in New Delhi, occupies the 10th position among overall category in India Rankings 2022 conducted by NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Let us now look into India Rankings 2022 in the university category. Indian Institute of Science, located in Bangalore, Karnataka, occupies the 1st position in the university category in India Rankings 2022 conducted by NIRF. Jawaharlal Nehru University, located in New Delhi, occupies the 2nd position in the university category. In the university category India Rankings 2022, the 3rd position is occupied by Jamia Millia Islamia, located in New Delhi. Jadavpur University, located in Kolkata city in West Bengal, occupies the 4th position in the India Rankings 2022 in the university category. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, occupies the 5th position in the university category. Banaras Hindu University, located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, occupies the 6th position in the university category. Manipal Academy of Higher Education, located in Manipal, Karnataka, occupies the 7th position. 8th position in the university category India Rankings 2022 is occupied by Calcutta University, located in Kolkata city in West Bengal. Vellore Institute of Technology, located in Vellore, Tamil Nadu, occupies the 9th position, and University of Hyderabad, located in Hyderabad in Telangana state, occupies the 10th position in the university category India Rankings 2022 conducted by NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now it is the time to browse through the India Rankings 2022 college category. Miranda House, located in Delhi, occupies the 1st position in the India Rankings 2022 college category. Hindu College, located in Delhi, occupies the 2nd position. Presidency College, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, occupies the 3rd position. Loyola College, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, occupies the 4th position. Lady Shri Ram College for Women, located in New Delhi, Delhi, occupies the 5th position in India Rankings 2022 college category conducted by NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. PSGR, Krishnammal College for Women, located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, occupies the 6th position. Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, located in New Delhi, occupies the 7th position. St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, located in West Bengal, ranked 8th among the college category in NIRF India Rankings 2022. Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandir, located in Howrah, West Bengal, occupies the 9th position in the NIRF India 2022 rankings. And Kirori Mal College, located in Delhi, occupies the 10th position in the college category in India Rankings 2022 conducted by NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now we will browse through the India Rankings 2022 among the research category. Indian Institute of Science, located in Bangalore, Karnataka, occupies the first position in the India to Rankings 2022 research category. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, occupies the second position in the India Rankings 2022 research category. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, located in New Delhi, occupies the third position in the India Rankings 2022 research category. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, occupies the fourth position. Indian Institute of Technology, located in Kharagpur, West Bengal, occupies the fifth position. The sixth position college is Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, located in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. In India Rankings 2022 research category done by Government of India Ministry of Education, the seventh position is occupied by Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Indian Institute of Technology, located in Roorkee, Uttarakhand, occupies the 8th position. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, located in New Delhi, occupies the 9th position among the research category among India Rankings 2022 NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India, and Vellore Institute of Technology, located in Vellore, Tamil Nadu, occupies the 10th position in the research category in India Rankings 2022. Let us now quickly browse through among the engineering category for India Rankings 2022 NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, occupies the first position in the engineering category. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, IIT Delhi, located in Delhi, occupies the second position. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, IIT Bombay, located in Maharashtra, occupies the third position. The fourth position is secured by Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, IIT Kanpur, located in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. IIT Kharagpur, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, located in Kharagpur, West Bengal, occupies the fifth position. The sixth ranked college is Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee, IIT Roorkee, located in Roorkee, Uttarakhand. Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, IIT Guwahati, located in Guwahati, Assam, is the seventh best college among all engineering colleges. India Rankings 2022, conducted by Ministry of Education, Government of India. National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli, located in Tamil Nadu, occupies the 8th position. Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad, IIT Hyderabad, located in Telangana, occupies the 9th position. And National Institute of Technology Karnataka Surathkal, located in Surathkal, Karnataka, occupies the 10th position among engineering category in India Rankings 2022, conducted by Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now we will go through the management colleges as per India Rankings 2022, the top 10 management colleges in India as per NIRF India Rankings 2022. Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, IIM Ahmedabad, located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, occupies the first position in this ranking. Indian Institute of Management Bangalore, located in Bangalore city in Karnataka, occupies the second position. Indian Institute of Management Calcutta, IIM Calcutta, located in Kolkata, West Bengal, occupies the third position. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, IIT Delhi, located in Delhi, is ranked 4th among all the management institutions as per NIRF. Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode, located in Kozhikode, Kerala, occupies the 5th position in this ranking. Indian Institute of Management Lucknow, IIM Lucknow, located in Lucknow city, Uttar Pradesh, occupies the 6th position among all management colleges in India. Indian Institute of Management Indore, IIM Indore, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, occupies the 7th position. XLRI, Xavier School of Management, located in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, is the 8th best ranked college among all management colleges as per NIRF India Rankings 2022. National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, occupies the 9th position. And Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, is the best 10th position college among all the management colleges in India as per NIRF India Rankings 2022 conducted by Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now let us look in among all the pharmacy colleges as per India Rankings 2022. Jamia Hamdard, located in New Delhi, occupies the first position in this ranking. National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Hyderabad, Naipar, Hyderabad, located in Telangana, is ranked number 2 in this India Rankings 2022 in the pharmacy category. Punjab University, located in Chandigarh, occupies the third position. National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Mohali, Naipar, Mohali, located in Mohali, Punjab, occupies the fourth position. Birla Institute of Technology and Science, BITS Pilani, occupies the fifth position. It is located in Pilani, Rajasthan. JSS College of Pharmacy, ranked number 6. It is located in Uti, Tamil Nadu. Institute of Chemical Technology, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, occupies the 7th position. JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore, Karnataka, is ranked number 8 in this ranking. Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, located in Manipal, Udupi, Karnataka, occupies the 9th position, and the 10th best ranked college is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Ahmedabad, located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Now we will browse through to the medical category of India Rankings 2022 conducted by NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India, and we will look at the top 10 medical colleges. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, located in New Delhi, occupies the first position. Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, located in Chandigarh, occupies the second position. Christian Medical College, located in Vellore, Tamil Nadu, occupies the third position in this ranking. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Bangalore, located in Bangalore, Karnataka, occupies the fourth position. Banaras Hindu University, located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, occupies the fifth position in India Rankings 2022. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, located in Puducherry, Pondicherry, occupies the sixth position. Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, is ranked number 7 among all the medical colleges as per India Rankings 2022. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, is ranked number 8. Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Tiruvananthapuram, located in Kerala, is ranked number 9, and Kasturba Medical College, located in Manipal, Karnataka, is ranked number 10 among all the medical colleges in India 2000 rankings conducted by Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now talking about the dental colleges in the India Rankings 2022 NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, has secured first position. Manipal College of Dental Sciences, located in Udupi, Karnataka, occupies the second position in this ranking. Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, located in Pune, Maharashtra, is ranked number 3 among all dental colleges in India Rankings 2022. Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, located in Delhi, is the fourth best dental college in India as per NIRF India Rankings 2022. King George's Medical University, located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, is the fifth best dental college. A.B. Shetty Memorial Institute of Dental Sciences, located in Mangaluru, Karnataka, has been ranked 6th best dental college by NIRF India Rankings 2022. Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore, located in Mangalore, Karnataka, is the 7th best dental college. SRM Dental College, located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, occupies the 8th position. Government Dental College, located in Nagpur, Maharashtra, occupies the 9th position. And Siksha O Anusandhan, located in Bhubaneswar, Orissa, is the 10th best dental college in India as per India Rankings 2022 by NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now let us quickly browse through the India Rankings 2022 Law category. National Law School of India University, located in Bangalore, Karnataka, occupies the first position. National Law University, located in New Delhi, Delhi, occupies the second position. Symbiosis Law School, located in Pune, Maharashtra, is ranked number 3 among all the law colleges in India as per India Rankings 2022. Nalsar University of Law, located in Hyderabad in Telangana state, occupies the fourth position. The West Bengal National University of Judicial Sciences, located in Kolkata, West Bengal, is the fifth best law college as per India Rankings 2022. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, located in Kharagpur, West Bengal, is the sixth best law college as per India Rankings 2022. Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, located in New Delhi, occupies the seventh position in this list. Gujarat National Law University, located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, occupies the eighth best position in this list. Shiksha O Anusandhan, located in Bhubaneswar in Odisha, occupies the ninth position in this list. National Law University Jodhpur NLU, located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, is the 10th best college as per India Rankings 2022 Law category. Now moving through the architecture category in the India Rankings 2022, the number 1 rank is being awarded to Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, located in Roorkee, Uttarakhand. National Institute of Technology, Calicut, located in Kozhikode, Kerala, occupies the second position. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, located in Kharagpur, West Bengal, occupies the third position in this list. School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi, located in Delhi, occupies the fourth position. National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, located in Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli, occupies the fifth position. Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Shibpur, located in Howrah, West Bengal, occupies the sixth position. School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, located in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, is the seventh best architecture college as per India Rankings 2022 NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology, located in Nagpur, Maharashtra, occupies the eighth position. Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, located in New Delhi, occupies the ninth position. School of Planning and Architecture, Bhopal, located in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, is the 10th best architecture college as per India Rankings 2022 NIRF, Ministry of Education, Government of India. So friends, that was NIRF 2022 ranking about top 10 colleges in each of the category, like overall category, engineering, management, architecture, dental, law, medical, everything I discussed over here. If you have any query, please feel free to connect on the phone number right now shown on your screen. Follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College Net, and our Instagram page, Apna College 1. Like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to receive update and alerts from this Apna College Net YouTube channel. All the best.